over about a quarter of the land, compost was added to that soil. However, you know, it would have been good to do it for the entire plot, but it's just funds did not allow that to happen. After the processes of like opening up the soil and putting some compost down on some of it, we put down a cover crop, so a mixture of 30 species, some of which were sort of native, some of which were grasses like rye and oats and wheat, and others were kind of perennial plants. And what the idea with that was to have a continuous cover of the soil to protect it, and to have a source of biomass that could then be added into the soil and kind of form that, provide the necessary carbon for the soil to actually start being built again. So that kind of fits into our process. Like, you know, that's what's going to be decomposing. That's what the microorganisms are going to be decomposing and building new soil out of.
In parts where we've sown cover crops in combination with organic compost, a lot of cover crops have come up that really like nitrogen, and in places like here where we've sown cover crops in combination with organic fertilizer pellets, which are less concentrated, a more varied kind of number of species have come up. And we also see a lot of species that we didn't actually plant that came up by themselves and that are native, like the rocket and these hippecombs, which are the cute yellow flowers. So it's really good to see this biodiversity, and it's going to help the soil retain water, and it's going to improve the soil as well.